Here are the winners in our final maintenance program for this evening. Private residential maintenance, under 15,000 square foot, lot size goes to, put your hands together, for Shades of Summer Landscaping and Maintenance. For Fotheringham, maintenance here includes weekly weeding and pruning. The front yard is a pleasure to mow with its deep edges and smooth curve lines. Smoothie. Shademaster Landscape Ltd. For the Coghlan residents. Turf is cut in different directions each week to promote good turf health, especially in heavily shaded areas on the site. Private residential maintenance, 15,000 square feet to 1 acre. Award of excellence goes to Shades of Summer Landscaping and Maintenance for a tally-ho. The greatest challenge here, get this, their greatest challenge is deer, who enjoy browsing the gardens nightly. That's good if you're a garden center owner, they gotta buy more plants. And another goes to Shades of Summer Landscape and Maintenance for the Cairns residents. The lawn at this formal property is fertilized as many as 6 times a season to keep the lawn nice and lush. Private residential maintenance, 1 acre or more. Landscape Plus Limited for Timeless Treasure. Put your hands together. Yeah, cold winter winds came up from the river, which can be hard on the plant material at the top of the slope. Beautiful. Who's the boss? Bos Landscaping. Cottage on the bay. With a true northern cottage feel in the suburbs, the property provides escape from the busyness that surrounds it. Oh, man. Not bad. Bos Landscaping for the McLeod residents. Given the maturity of the site, keeping the gardens looking as vibrant and robust as possible requires the right amount of maintenance as well as new innovative plant schemes. Whispering Pines Landscaping for Rural Oasis in Mono. The project continues to challenge the maintenance team, inspiring them to be the best they can be, to think outside the box, to value long-lasting structure that makes the property so appealing. Put your hands together and welcome up all the winners from maintenance.